Yo, what's up? I'm Riley Hawk. We're out here at the Metal Mulisha compound with Patrick Evans, and Patrick's gonna show me how to hit a ramp. I've never hit one. I mean, I've hit some jumps in my day, but definitely not off a metal ramp, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, how are you feeling? Pretty good, yeah. Stoked to see Patrick fucking hit some jumps. It's all right. I've been riding quite a bit lately, so I'm not like fully out of my depth right now, but the 75s are no joke. I'm not hitting that 75. That thing's fucking huge. When you look at it from here, it's like, no, I'm good on that.
Riley Hawk is here to make his freestyle debut. I met him at Surfercross, and we were like, dude, yeah, if you want to come hit some ramps, I'll find a place. We'll push the ramp up at Mulisha, and we'll get you out there. So, hang on, the princess of the Mulisha is here.
What the fuck are you guys doing, dude? Are you mic'd? Is he mic'd up right now?
Mic'd up.
Dude, you're leaving my hose all over the fucking place like a dick.
I'm watering it.
Where's the water, dude?
It's bruisers. These guys took so long with
Look
the cameras.
at the water. Look at the water. Where is it, dude? My hose is just in the middle getting fucked with no water.
This is Bruiser's hose.
Unreal, dude. Fucking e-bike nation here. What's going on, everybody? E-bike nation.
This is pretty scary to come out to. It's really dry. It's a lot different than when you're racing a track. Like, you know, you don't get to go warm up and do a couple laps. You kind of gotta like just man up and start jumping stuff. You wanna try 45?
I'm gonna hit this a few more times. I need to get used to going downside more.
Yeah, don't be afraid to like give it some gas. Like you can
sure.
go fast. That's like what I think was weird. Like when you show up to like a ramp place, like it's kind of hard to like get going, like pinning it. Like you start on a track, you kind of pin it, you get used to like opening the bike up. You're
momentum's
like, you're kind of like timid here, and like, yeah, get used to cracking it. Like
0 to 100 here.
There we go. Full downside, no case at all.
All right, I'll hit it again, and then I'll do it.
Hey, think about body positioning for it.
Yep.
When you go in, just make sure your legs are just locked in that thing, toes are in, you know?
Yep.
Because you're probably, I'm guessing you're gonna case a little.
Yep.
So just be straight and ready for it.
Are you riding up to the left of that little like?
Yeah, I'm right to the left. Follow me up to it a couple times, just kind of see the speed.
Yeah! Oh my God. Taste the fuck out of it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Holy shit.
That was perfect. Yeah, you're coming in slow, like pin it, that's perfect.
It's just such a, I've never done that before.
It's weird, man. And then it's weird when you go back to the track too after a while. Like carrying roll speed, it's kind of trippy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought the ramp was at 45 feet, but I didn't really measure it. And then Wacker made a really good point that the red ramp is 20 feet long, and it was backed up to the 75, so that basically made it 55 feet, and it was propped up a hill. So what I told Riley was 45 feet turned out to be more like 55 feet prop. But that's good, you know, we didn't tell him until after, and he greased it, so now he feels even better about himself.
Man, that was awesome. That's like full bucket list for me. I've always wanted to try to hit a ramp, so I don't know, I had to just kind of turn the brain off. There's a point where I was like, I'm hitting the little dirt jump 3 more times, and after that, like, there's no going back. It's just you're going off the jump. So that's kind of what you got to do. Just once you commit to like a time frame, like you just got to do it.
Pretty much best case scenario, no one got hurt. That's all we really look for out here. That's what I would say if I was full of crap. But if Riley didn't hit that 45 and he left here a failure, man, today would have been not good. But we found success. He hit the 45. What did Lynkin just say? What, Lynkin?
Dude, that's my fucking line.
Then come to the interview, Lynkin. It wasn't even that good. I wouldn't even put that in the cut. Fuck.